Everyone, it's Eugene here, and the Forensic Photography Symposium is coming up. It's just a few days away, January 16th to 19th, 2023. With me, I have Clive Hubbard, and he's going to be talking about fire scenes. It's something we haven't addressed before. So, Clive, thank you so much for being a presenter, and I'd like to ask you about what you're going to be discussing on your presentation.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks for inviting me to chat with you today. So I'm basically just going to talk about some of the difficulties that I have encountered in the fire scenes that I've investigated. As you know, I'm an investigator with the Fire Marshal's Office here in Ontario. And just to highlight some of the requirements for some of the equipment that is needed for successfully photographing a fire scene, some of the hazards that are associated with it, some of the equipment hazards. I mean, you're dealing with an outside environment and in all kinds of inclement weather. Sometimes electronic cameras, digital cameras, don't fare well in inclement weather. Storage of your collected images, what you need to do to adjust them and retain the integrity of those images for court purposes. And then some of the other, I'll just touch briefly on some of the other emerging technology that is available to assist you at the scene. I'm thinking of drones. I'm thinking of LiDAR, scale diagrams, measurements that are is an easy technology to utilize. Just use an iPad with a camera and the LiDAR technology, and you can just basically do a 3D scan of your entire scene just by walking around the scene. It takes 5 minutes. And it's an amazing piece of technology that's available to us today.
I like the fact that this is an application we haven't addressed just yet, and I appreciate that you're going to be there. So looking forward to your talk. Thanks, Clive.
Yeah, looking forward to it myself. Thank you.